So this is US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Wednesday, the 22nd of November. Now let's have a look what having prices. So we came down to this 112 region, had a bit of consolidation before we broke out to retest this 1252. We've had a couple of retests of that level, briefly broke below it, broke above, then we broke below it as well. Had another retest from the other side, and we do appear poised for a more sell-off, for prices sell off even more, all the way down to possibly 1215, the 112 level. Now overall we've had a series of lower highs, indicating more sell side momentum in the market. We were at one point possibly seeing if we would get a consolidation, a strong break from 1252 to possibly targeting around at 1356. That does seem less likely at present, as we do appear poised for more sell side momentum coming into the market. Now let's just have a look for potential targets to the downside. There we are. So the potential targets we're looking for, we possibly might see some buy side momentum coming to the market, is in around at 111.60, and below which 111.60 for more buy side momentum, and below which we're looking for that 110.73. Can't anticipate prices moving much beyond possibly the 110.73 to the downside. If however we do come down to this 1215 or this 1200 level, and we do see some buy side momentum coming to the market, we'll be targeting in around at 1252, 1277, beyond which we'll be looking at possibly the round number of 13, coupled with the 200 period average marked out here in blue, before we'll be targeting also the 113.56 to the upside. Also we have the 400 period moving average pretty close to this 113.56. I can't anticipate price moving much beyond 113.56. I can't anticipate price moving much beyond, but I would expect that to be the upper end of the range before we see some sell side momentum coming into the market. Now to the downside, we've already mentioned all the targets that we'll be looking for. So we'll just have a look at the daily chart before wrapping up here. So we go over to the daily chart, and as we can see here on the daily chart, we've respected the treble top now in around at 1430. So we've had rejection, and we have had another rejection from the 114.30 region. So we do look poised for another retest of these lows just here in around at 1160. As we have had a previous swing in the market, coupled with the 200 period average for a move upwards, again we're looking for a swing in the market, holding the possibly the 200 period moving average here and the 1160 for more buy side momentum to take us to possibly test that 1356, beyond which we're possibly looking at 114.30. But 114.30 is quite a bit away, and very far end of the range. So that should wrap up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.